Hi Aries, I'm Anisha. You can also visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast on career and finance. Aries, we start this month with Mercury going direct in your first house, and that is the house of self. Now, Mercury is going to be bringing along with it its entire communication benefits, and I've spoken about it at great length in my monthly April video. For your work sector, it's going to be opening up communication which may have got stalled by end of Jan. So, for a lot of you who may have been working on projects and you would be wanting to hear some further news onto it, for a lot of you who have been negotiating, deals or a better job offer, or even for some of you who have been trying to get more clarity onto your work portfolio as to is it a yes, is it a no, is the portfolio increasing, or what is it that you do from here. The first house also is one of the most difficult houses for a lot of astrologers to read, because this is the most uh, it's a very personal house. This is the house which deals with your closest dreams, your desires, and it is very unique to you. So this month, you are going to be looking at things that make you happy, which and through which, of course, that you can financially benefit. So you could be looking at some creative ventures, some partnerships, maybe with friends, and these could benefit you as well. Post 14th, in any case, it's a good time to commit or to get into any form of a business partnership that you may have been thinking of since January. On 14th of March, we have Mars, your ruling planet, that goes direct, and thank God for that. And Mars is going to come and give you that entire push energy which you may have been lacking since January end. So it will be a great time for you to relook at opportunities, update your resumes, go out and meet up with a lot of people, network, and also I think for a lot of you, wherein that you have been thinking or wanting to start something of your own, it's a great time really to sit and explore things that you can do on your own. So use this time well, Aries. Use this time to explore all the, whether there are opportunities as an entrepreneur, or whether there are opportunities to freelance or work with an organization. Don't close your mind, because uh, also it's a very unconventional time. So rather than worrying about this stability and seeing whether you will be at a next place for the next say 10 years or so, it's a great time for you to be looking at as to what is the value that that project will add to your life, and how much would you enjoy doing it. I think for a lot of you also, the focus this month is on doing things that satisfy you from inside and make you happy. So while yes, you are making money, but somewhere you wanted to the need is getting very stronger for you, that it needs to it needs to fit well somewhere inside, what you call as alignment of the uh, mind and the heart. So that is I think a lot of aliens are going to be exploring it, and it's a great time to be looking at creative ventures. It's a great time to be looking at unconventional things. Try not to confine your mind to things only that you have done in the past, or you would be, you know, just thinking that, oh, I've never done this before, why should I, or will I be able to cope? And, don't worry on those such things, because you have the complete planetary support. It's a great time, and there's going to be a lot of sense of self-worth, and you are going to be feeling much more confident. I think the last month or so has been more as a month of yeah, after a long spell of working very hard, when we all go back and we uh, just need that rest and solitude. So look at that period as that. But the time has come for you really to tighten your seat belt and get on with it. So have a great month. I'll see you again in May, and thank you so much for watching.